afternoon, everyone, and welcome to all of you, our Public Works friends and families. We're really excited for you to be here today at our grand reopening of 27th Avenue Materials Recovery Facility, also known as a MRF. I'm Lori Zelda Steller. I'm the Assistant Public Works Director for our city's Solid Waste Division, overseeing our many collections. I represent more than 600 hardworking men and women who make our city healthy and safe through the proper collection and processing of garbage, recycle, and green organics. We're thrilled to be here together today to showcase our new state-of-the-art MRF, which features a trommel front-end solution. You'll get to see that and learn about that. 2 ballistic separators, a sorting robot. We actually have a robot, and 11 optical sorters. The facility is operated by Balcones Recycling, a circular services company, and can process material at 30 tons per hour. It features an integrated design to maximize recyclable recovery from our city's curbside collection, and we're providing collection to over 420,000 City of Phoenix residents every week. This initiative significantly increases our recovery compared to our previous system that we had before. So we're able to capture materials such as your paper, your cardboard, your scrap metal, your tin, which you'll see today. The MRF upgrade has been 4 years in the making, so this has been quite a project and an undertaking for not only the city, but our many partners and contractors. It's our city's commitment to critical infrastructure to ensure that we can provide MRF operations for our growing city. We're excited to be here today to celebrate this major accomplishment and milestone with all of you. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you to our staff, our partners who have made this event happen today. And now I'm super excited to introduce a major champion of sustainability efforts and leader in creating our sustainable desert city, Mayor Kate Gallego. Please join me in welcoming Mayor Gallego.
Thank you, Lori. This is an exciting day for the City of Phoenix and our residents. This beautiful facility will help make sure that we can recycle more of what you put in your blue bin and that we can make a higher profit from selling those items because they'll be able to be reused more efficiently. It really is exciting for the City of Phoenix. We are trying to be leaders in what we call the circular economy, taking things that might have once been trash and turning them into new, useful products. I want to thank the Public Works Department and their partners for their work to ensure that our waste is appropriately managed. This is a major investment in sustainability. Phoenix Public Works manages city-owned buildings to ensure they're running efficiently and works to expand our solar capacity on rooftops and carports. This will hopefully include a large-scale solar array on the neighboring landfill one day. Public Works also works with our business community to support them with the resources they need to operate more sustainably. And Public Works is really innovators in building that green, sustainable economy. We've had people visit from as far away as the Netherlands to study what we're doing here in Phoenix around circular economy. We're also investing in our workforce. This is an exciting hub for good employment opportunities, including our solid waste equipment operators. We have a great apprenticeship program with LIUNA that helps bring people into high-wage and successful jobs. This campus is also a center for new innovative companies that want to take the products that are recycled and turn them into new opportunities for economic innovation. It's home to the Present and Future Resource Innovation Campus. What began as a collaboration with ASU to incubate local entrepreneurs who are designing new products from materials in our waste stream will, in the next year, become home to a state-of-the-art community amenity in which people can collaborate and learn about the great sustainability work happening across our community. We are working with an international group called C40 Cities that's leading on climate action. We are partnering with them through their Reinventing Cities initiative, which will help us build a best-in-class, internationally important building. This is part of an international design competition, and a local team led by Krause Architectural Firm won with a beautiful design that is inspired by our Rio Salado. This building is designed to meet the most rigorous sustainability certification in the world, the Living Building Challenge. We're imagining this site to be a space for residents to enjoy and learn, a destination for school field trips, and a place for entrepreneurs to collaborate in line with the larger vision for Rio Reimagined. Today is really a great success story for our community and our partners. We're so thankful to the construction and design team, to McCarthy Construction, Gannett Fleming, our partners at Balcones who will operate it, the great team at MachineX who helped design it, and more. So we're so thankful to all of you for creating this best-in-class facility. It really will allow us to sort more of the materials and have a more successful recycling program. We have a goal of 0 waste by 2050 and to half the amount of our waste in our landfills by 2030. So this is a big day for meeting that goal. Phoenix has long been invested in recycling. As you can see on the wonderful timeline, we had a pivotal moment in 1987 where we really looked at how we could recycle. A lot of the demand was led by our young people. Our kids said, we want to be leaders in recycling. 1987, people talked a lot about recycling. There was a very prominent barge that went out of Long Island with trash that was supposed to go to the southern part of the United States called the Moab. And community after community turned it away, saying we don't want anyone else's trash. It actually went to several countries, as was on the news constantly. We in the city of Phoenix were aware of that and responded and made major investments in recycling, and we have been leaders ever since. This new investment in technology will help us continue to lead and get to the next level and come up with products that will help the companies of the future build recycled products. We're trying to be as green as we can in today's event, and even the ribbon we will cut today is recyclable. Many ribbons are not, but you'll see a great paper ribbon today with artwork from our local students. Our students continue to this day to be our biggest champions for recycling, and so much of the demand comes from kids telling their parents and their elected officials that we want to be leaders in sustainability. So we don't want to disappoint the children of Phoenix, Arizona, and we're going to continue innovating and developing great projects like the one we are celebrating today. Now I'm happy to turn it over to Deputy Public Works Director Eduardo Rodriguez.
Thank you, Mayor, for that, and for your leadership in helping spearhead this project for us. So with that being said, I do want to recognize all of the construction workers, the team that really led this. Internally, we have our internal city staff. Doug Sawyer was integral part for this. He's our engineer that really helped push this project through. And then we had our streets department as well. We have Ruth here, who was the project manager for fire. And then we have Mark Benelli as well, who was leading the project with Mark McCarthy. So thank you so much to internal city staff for that. And then from the contractor side and the companies coming in here and doing the work for us, McCarthy Construction was amazing working with us and getting things rolling. Gannett Fleming, from an engineering point of view, did fantastic work, and we're so thankful for everything you guys did. Hiller on the fire suppression side, you guys were awesome, and there was a lot of things that we needed to work through. It's been tested multiple times now as we've been working on commissioning the site, so thank you so much for building that for us. And then also MachineX, they provided the equipment for us. They were amazing, awesome piece of equipment that we have here now. And then Balcones. Balcones has been a great partner in getting this facility up and running, getting staff to be in here. So I want to thank all of them, and if we can give them all a round of applause, as well as our subcontractors that worked on this. And what we're going to do is we actually have a button that we want to use. We're going to open up those 2 windows over there, and when the mayor pushes the button, we want to count down, 3, 2, 1. When she pushes it, we're going to start the system, and we'll start running material for the first time as a fully operational site. And then right after that, we're going to come over here, and we're going to do a ribbon cutting, and that should be good. And then we'll do tours right after that. So thank you, guys.